10 ChatGPT side hustles to make money in 2023. Everywhere you look, ChatGPT has captured people's attention and everyone is talking about the unparalleled opportunity to establish online businesses around this viral topic. By leveraging this powerful artificial intelligence technology, you can make money online in a variety of ways. If you are not familiar with ChatGPT, it is a new artificial intelligence technology chatbot developed by OpenAI. It is an extraordinarily powerful tool that people can use for free. ChatGPT has quickly garnered attention for generating detailed responses and articulate answers across different areas of knowledge, and human-like text. Hello and welcome to my channel. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell. In today's video, I will talk about ChatGPT artificial intelligence technology, which can be used to potentially make money online. You can easily profit from this new powerful technology. ChatGPT is a natural language processing tool that can be used to create chatbot conversations and generate automated responses for customer service inquiries, sales conversations, and more. To start using ChatGPT, go to OpenAI.com. Once you are in the OpenAI website, click Try ChatGPT and use your email to log in and start using it for free. You can ask ChatGPT prompts and it will start writing in seconds. Here are some ways that may be worth exploring to use ChatGPT to make money online. 1. Content creation. If you have a YouTube channel, blog, website, or a social media account, you can use ChatGPT to easily generate ideas for content. You can use the prompts and responses from ChatGPT to create articles, posts, or videos that are compelling, engaging, and informative. 2. Create a customer service chatbot. Use ChatGPT to create a chatbot for customer service inquiries. Customers can ask questions and receive automated responses, freeing up time for your customer service team to focus on more complex customer inquiries. 3. Use ChatGPT 3 to create a sales chatbot. Utilize ChatGPT to create a sales chatbot that can answer customer questions and guide them to the products and services you offer. You can use it to generate automated responses for frequently asked questions and help customers find the perfect product for them. You can also create well-designed sales pages and customer sales videos. 3. Automate content creation. ChatGPT 3 can be used to automate content creation for blogs, websites, and other online platforms. You can use it to generate automated responses to customer inquiries, create blog post drafts, and more. 4. Create automated customer feedback surveys. Use ChatGPT 3 to create automated surveys that can be used to gather customer feedback. By using ChatGPT 3 to generate responses and collect data, you'll be able to gain valuable insights into how customers view your business and products. 5. With ChatGPT 3, you can save time and money by automating customer service and sales conversations, creating automated content, and gathering customer feedback. 6. Marketing research. If you have a business, you can use ChatGPT to conduct marketing research. You can ask ChatGPT questions about your target audience, industry trends, and consumer preferences to help you make informed decisions about your marketing strategies. 7. Virtual assistant. As a virtual assistant, you can use ChatGPT to help with tasks like email management, scheduling, email templates, and data entry. ChatGPT can help you automate tasks and save time, which can increase your productivity and efficiency. 8. Language translation. If you are fluent in multiple languages, you can use ChatGPT to help with language translation. You can use the translation feature of ChatGPT to translate text, documents, or even audio files. 9. Chatbot development. If you have programming skills, you can use ChatGPT to develop chatbots for businesses. Chatbots can help businesses automate customer service, sales, and support functions, which can save time and money. 10. Creating digital products. You can use chat to write PDFs and use the content in a variety of ways like digital ebooks, blog posts, and social posts. 10. Write essays and summaries. ChatGPT can be used to write essays, book summaries, and fairy tales at the level above an average human. It can be used to write poetry, or if you are a musician, use it to compose songs. These are just a few examples of the many ideas that you can use ChatGPT to make money online. It's important to research and find the right idea that fits your skills and interests. It's important to note that these ideas are not a guarantee of making money online. You will need to put in effort, time, and potentially some investment to make these ideas work for you. If you have liked and found this video useful, subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.